I'm Saul Becker. I'm an artist from Seattle, Washington. Really thrilled to be a part of the Reframing Dioramas project at the Museum of Natural History here in LA. Science and art are very similar in that they're both explorative. Science is what we know up to this point, and art is also reaching for something that we don't know. One of the things I hope that people take away after viewing the diorama is noticing the plants that are electroplated. I collected some of the plants just blocks away from the museum in vacant lots just down the street. It's amazing to me where you can get with an orange vest and a pair of clippers and the variety of plants that grow in the city. They're called weeds, but really that's not a scientific term. It's a cultural term. Really, they're wildflowers, they're herbs, but we don't have a use for them. So as a society, we call them an other, and we use that term weed. When I first saw the call from the museum for the diorama project, it was perfect for me. My work has been sort of divided in two camps, landscape painting and sculpture using plant material. And when this opportunity came up to reimagine a diorama, it was just perfect. I've always wanted to combine those two mediums together, and this was the perfect opportunity to do that. The museum is really focused on how do you convey information that's accurate and informative to the public. In the art world, it's much more wishy-washy. It's about how people feel. But what I'm looking for is something a little more interpretive, a way for people to look at this art form and come away with all sorts of different interpretations. I think part of my process is really just following my curiosity through wherever it leads. Really not trying to arrive at a destination, but just enjoy the process and the curiosity. There are very few professions where you can really just play and learn and just be constantly excited by the things that you're doing, and take this kind of scientific art form and bring this artistic expression to it. I feel really fortunate to be able to do that. I hope that people will start to see the city as a natural environment. So as you're leaving the museum, you might look down at the sidewalk and see one of those plants growing up. I hope people see that they're beautiful plants, that they're just incredible forms, and start to appreciate the nature that happens in the city around them.